The spirits market in the United States continues to show resilient volume growth. We're expecting that overall volume sales for spirits are going to be at about 2.5% growth in 2011. And this is actually in line with what we've seen over the past couple of years. Despite what you might expect, spirits actually performed quite well in terms of volumes during the recession of 2009 and 2010. New effective advertising campaigns, marketing campaigns, new product developments and innovations have helped keep consumers interested in spirits and have helped the category gain share at the expense of beer. In terms of value sales, we're seeing a little bit of a different picture. We're expecting strong growth in 2011, about 3.5%, but historically value sales suffered a bit more during the recession. This happened as many consumers traded down to maybe lower priced economy brands. They shifted their channels from buying on-trade to off-trade, switched the channels with which they were purchasing within the off-trade channel. And so value sales slowed quite a bit during 2009, but once again, those are starting to return to growth in 2010 and 2011. One major trend that we are seeing driving the spirits industry is premiumization. And this is occurring as consumers are becoming more confident in the economy, their incomes are growing, they're actually willing to go out and spend a little bit more within the spirits category. And we've seen this, for example, with tequila. Tequila, as an average unit price, is one of the more expensive spirits products on the market. However, despite a slowdown in 2009, tequila has grown by 3 and 4% over the last 2 years. The same thing can be said with Irish whiskey. Irish whiskey is seen as a very premium spirits product, but the category has grown by double-digit volumes growth, 10, 20, and 20% over the last 3 years as consumers are looking to trade up and purchase a premium product like Irish whiskey. The same can be said with single malt Scotch whiskey. Single malts are seen as kind of the preeminent example of a premium product within spirits. And the category, despite slowing down a bit during 2009, has picked up rapidly. We're expecting it to grow by about 10% in 2011 as consumers are continually lured by the premium mystique of single malt Scotch products. Cognac is another example. Cognac is seen, like single malt Scotch, as a premium spirits option. Now, cognac struggled quite a bit during the recession, but it has flattened out, and we are expecting growth of about 5% within the cognac category in terms of overall volume sales in 2011. There are other categories that do not have this similar type of premium positioning, and they have actually struggled. And so as the premium categories have done well, some of them that do not have the premium positioning have not done well. A good example is Canadian whiskey. Canadian whiskey is not really seen as a premium option. It's very standard, and the category has struggled. It was a little bit of an uptick in 2009 with the onset of the recession, but in 2010 and 2011, as premiumization has picked up, Canadian whiskey's volumes have been flat to declining. Premiumization also, besides being shifts between categories, has also meant shifts to premium brands within a category. As premium brands have done well, and economy brands have not done as well with the ongoing premiumization trend. One great example of this is in the vodka category. There are a variety of kind of premium vodka brands, including Belvedere, Grey Goose, Absolut. And these brands had their struggles in 2009 and into 2010 with the recession. But in 2011, we are expecting positive volume sales growth with all of these premium brands on the market. Another example is in the bourbon category. As this premiumization trend continues to gain steam, these brands continue to see very rapid sales growth of 18%, 6 or 7% every year as these premium products continue to gain popularity among consumers in the U.S. One reason that premiumization is continuing to be popular in the U.S. is that spirits are very much an indulgence for U.S. consumers. As people are looking to purchase a spirits product, they're not really willing to trade down to an economy or a private label option within the category because spirits are something that are consumed over a long period of time. They may be displayed on a home bar, on a shelf, so if you have visitors, they're seeing what you're purchasing. And you might be willing to spend a little bit more so that you can put a name brand product or a high quality reputation product on your shelf so that others can see that you are willing to indulge in this type of product.